Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to explain about one of system in our organ system. It's called respiratory system. Respiratory system is a series of organs responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide, which means oxygen enter to our body and leave carbon dioxide. The primary organs of the respiratory system are lungs that carry out this exchange of gases as we breathe. All of your cells need oxygen so they can respire. When cells respire, they make carbon dioxide. Human body needs oxygen to sustain itself. A decrease in oxygen is known as hypoxia, and a complete lack of oxygen is known as anoxia. In humans, the average rate of breathing depends on age. A newborn baby normal breathing rate is about 40 times each minute and may slow down to 20 times per minute. For adults, it's about 12 to 16 times per minute. Parts of respiratory system. As we breathe, oxygen enters the nose or mouth and passes the sinuses. Sinuses help regulate the temperature of the air we breathe. The trachea, also known the windpipe, filters the air that inhaled. It branches to bronchi, which are two that carry air into each lung. Each one is called bronchus. The bronchial tubes lead to the lobes of the lungs. The right lung has 3 lobes, the left lung has 2 lobes, and the lobes are filled with small and spongy sacs called alveoli. And this is where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. The alveolar walls are extremely thin. These walls are composed of tissues and pulmonary capillaries. Blood passes through the capillaries. Artery carries blood containing carbon dioxide to the air sacs. Oxygenated blood goes to the heart through the pulmonary vein, and heart pumps it throughout the body. Do you know the diseases or disorders of respiratory system? 1. Viruses such as influenza and bacterial pneumonia. 2. Chronic disease such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or known as COPD. What is COPD? COPD is a progressive disease that makes it difficult to breathe. Asthma is a chronic inflammation of lung airways that causes clogging, chest tightness, or shortness of breath. Lung cancer is often associated with smoking, but the disease can affect non-smokers as well. Now, above of my explanation, I have 3 questions for you to answer. It's an easy questions. Question 1. What is respiratory system? Question 2. Explain parts of respiratory system and its function by your own language. Question 3. What are the diseases of respiratory system and how to live in health? So, have you already done answer these questions? Now, we have the conclusion of this explanation. So, in order not to get these disorders, we must keep our health and especially our lungs, because lungs is used to breathe, and that breath is to make we survive. If we always inhale pollution, smokes, or bad air, so it will make your lung broken and cannot respirate well. Then, change your bad lifestyle into good one. Love your health, because health is valuable and cannot be bought by money. I think that's all of my video explanation about respiratory system, and I hope this can increase your knowledge about it. Don't forget to study hard and explore science more. Wassalamualaikum